Hey guys, it's Becca and I've got clue number 1 for the large size puzzle mystery quilt for spring 2019 by Cottoncuts. My package is already laid out in front of you just to kind of save us a little bit of time. We're going to sew this together and I just want to show you what's in the package before we get started. So we have a little sticker with the Cottoncuts logo. We have our February block of the month card. On the back side is a color sheet. If you color this in, take a picture and post it to social media with the hashtag #CCColorChallenge, you'll be entered for a chance to win 2 yards of fabric. We have a freebie this month that's a little piece of a panel. It says "Find Joy in the Ordinary," and I think this would be a good size to quilt up and use as a mug rug. The first clue always comes with a cheat sheet that shows you what your fabrics are for the entire project. It's a 10-month program, so you'll want to hold on to this and keep it in a safe place. Also, I'm Team Portia. Then we have our instructions, some templates to make sure our triangles are sized appropriately, and our fabric bits. Okay, we're going to sew this together, but the first thing I do is look at the chart that tells me what fabrics are in my package, and I lay them out in that same orientation so I don't get confused. Okay, everything's laid out and labeled the same way my instructions have them. I did label all of my fabrics the same way that they're labeled in my instructions for clue number 1. So we're going to take all these over to the sewing machine and start putting this together according to the steps in the instructions. Let's go to the sewing machine. All right, step 1 is to take 8 of A1 triangles and the F1 triangles and sew them together to make 8 3.5-inch half square triangles. I have my half square triangles all sewn together. I'm going to take these to the iron and iron to the dark side, and then I'm going to go check them with my ruler to make sure that they did come out to a perfect 3.5 inches square. Okay, we're going to combine steps 1B and 1C. It basically is going to have us take our half square triangles and turn them into pinwheels. We need to make 2 pinwheel units. Okay, I have my 2 pinwheel blocks constructed, and now I need to put a D3 here and here to turn each of these into a triangle unit. Okay, step 1 is all complete. I have my pinwheels turned into triangle units. I've pressed them. I'm going to set them aside. Okay, step 1 and step 2 are both done, and so now it's my final step. I'm going to sew step 1 to step 2 to make 1 large block, and I'm going to do that twice because I've got 2 of these. Okay, I have my 2 blocks put together for clue 1 for the spring 2019 Cottoncuts puzzle mystery quilt. This is Team Portia colorway. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of this month's block. And if you want to check out how to get in on the action, you can visit cottoncuts.com.